know, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet and you do talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, I don't, so good. I'm sitting at a bench, and I'm reading my book, and I look at the next one, it's this car, and it's going, it's not right, French, it's like, wow. And it's
And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in those, no? Or some of them.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, give me in one bag a multi-grain, a cranberry, and a plain one. And then in the other bag, 2 plain ones.
That's really what they can study. Potato.